This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Faith Turner. Gorgeous water views with this 6-bedroom/3-bath home. Unique floor plan offers large living room and dining room overlooking the water and large backyard, spacious kitchen with new quartz counters, pantry, and new stainless steel appliances. 3 bedrooms/2 bath on right side of house with flexed space, perfect for home office or homeschool classroom, separating 3 additional bedrooms/1 bath on left side of house. Garage has been partially converted for storage, covered front porch, professionally landscaped. Convenient to interstate, shopping, and restaurants. For more information, review the details below or contact Faith Turner at 757-424-0202.